Hey everyone, this is Kyle LePatch with SS&SI, and today I will be showing you how to add the Uniview intercom to the indoor station. Now this comes as a complete kit with the switch, intercom, and the indoor station, but in this video I'm just going to show you how to be able to add the intercom with the indoor tablet. So I have everything hooked up, it's all DHCP'd and networked in, it just needs to be programmed. So on the indoor station, we'll go into settings, administration configuration, type in the admin password, once you get logged in, over on the left we'll hit devices, and then we'll do device discovery. So it'll scan the network, and we should find the intercom. There it is. So we'll hit the plus icon. We'll type in the password for the intercom itself. Hit confirm. We'll get the status check mark. So now we'll go back, hit the back arrow, and then we can hit live view. And then there's the outdoor station. Click it, and there you have it. So now we can go back again to this main panel. Now when you ring the intercom, it immediately calls the tablet. You can call it, talk back and forth. Oh, yeah, there's a lot of, since they're right next to each other, there's going to be a ton of feedback. But you can call out of it or see your calls. But yeah, that is how you add the intercom to the indoor station tablet that comes as a kit with Uniview.